Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Flash flood watch in effect for two of our counties, Dickinson and Buchanan counties, through 7 o'clock tonight because of the potential for some heavy rainfall from storms, some downpours, and perhaps some light gusty winds as well to go through the afternoon hours with some of these storms that move through our area. Not expecting a lot of severe weather, but with this rainfall in those areas over the past couple of days and more scattered showers and storms today, we could see a little bit of some minor flooding. Let's talk a little bit about the storms this afternoon. This is kind of cool. We're going to kind of break down the impacts and the risk of any storms developing this afternoon. This is the GOES 16 visible imagery, and I want you to point your attention right up here into Kentucky. Watch how there's a little band of cloudiness that moves down, kind of hits the mountains of southwest Virginia, and you see a lot more clouds start to form as that happens. That's an outflow boundary. What the outflow boundary does is it helps lift the air and causes it to condense, and then you get some showers and storms to form as a result of that. So scattered showers and storms now across much of southwest Virginia, along the mountains of Kentucky and Virginia. None of these are really too strong or organized right now, but you notice some downpours across portions of Wise County near Big Stone Gap. We're mainly clear across portions of northeast Tennessee this hour, but more storms are up towards the north and east. This band of storms diving down from portions of Smith and Wythe counties. We will track this off towards the south and east, and we'll draw a storm track on it for you here. Off towards the south and east. That's going to put it towards some communities towards Rural Retreat, Speedwell, a little bit later this afternoon. Wytheville around 1226, heading towards Rural Retreat 1249, and over towards Speedwell around 106 on its current path. Most of the area, though, is still rain-free, and we could go through the afternoon with a lot of areas not receiving rain due to the scattered nature of those storms. But look at all the moisture that's flowing into our area. We've got moisture flowing in from the south and west, and what that is doing is bumping up our dew points. That's one way to measure the amount of moisture in the air, and also making it feel pretty muggy outside. Humid, if not almost tropical air outside. Combine that with high precipitable water values. Normally we're about 0.8. Today we're 1.2. And what that tells me as a meteorologist is that we have the potential for some minor flooding in spots this afternoon across the region. Of course, we're not the only ones dealing with the muggy conditions. Pretty muggy across all of the southeast on this Tuesday afternoon. 77 right now in Bristol, 80 in Kingsport, 81 in Johnson City. Notice the cumulus clouds there in the sky, indicating we've got a little bit of some lift going on in the atmosphere, and that lift will transform into a few showers and storms later today. They'll be scattered about, as I mentioned, so don't rely exactly on where this shows the rain at a certain time, more so of the coverage of the rain during the afternoon hours. So as we go into the evening and overnight, wouldn't shock me if we see a few showers and storms move into northeast Tennessee, especially towards the later portion of the evening. And then as we go into the early overnight, we should clear out, and a pretty nice night, very similar to last night, moves into our area, waking up tomorrow to some muggy conditions once again. And we're going to do it all over again with a repeat of some chances for showers and storms. So 86 this afternoon for Bristol, Kingsport, Johnson City, a little bit cooler where the rain moves in and cools us off pretty quick as the storms roll on in later today. 82 for Norton, 85 in Grundy. Going into the overnight hours, mild, muggy, partly cloudy skies, and isolated showers certainly possible with temperatures looking like this across the board. 65 in Lebanon, Abilene, 66 in Bristol. Lots of moisture to work with over the next couple of days. So what that means is we're going to have more chances for scattered showers and storms. Your 7-day forecast looks something like this. Thursday, the highest chance for rain region-wide, about 60%. 50% we go into Friday. The weekend, not looking too bad. 40% chance for a few scattered pop-up storms during the afternoon. And temperatures hanging out in the mid-80s as well. Father's Day, not bad, Preston. 86 degrees there. And maybe a stray shower or storm during the afternoon or evening.
But maybe it's just one of those that passes through and cools it off, and you can still have the cookout afterwards.
I think it will be.
That's a good way to do that. Well.